Welcome back to Pro Wheelhouse, your ultimate destination for everything on wheels. Today, we're diving into the exciting return of a true icon, the new 2025 Tata Sumo 7-seater. A vehicle that once ruled Indian roads is back with a bold new look, modern features, and rugged performance. Is the new Sumo ready to dominate the streets again? Let's find out. Bold design and strong road presence. The 2025 Tata Sumo comes back with a muscular and aggressive design, staying true to its original DNA while embracing modern styling cues. The front fascia is now more sculpted, featuring a prominent grille, LED DRLs, and chunky bumpers that give it a commanding look. Square wheel arches, strong body lines, and large alloy wheels amplify its tough, utilitarian appeal. It's built to look solid, and it feels like it too. Spacious and functional interior. Step inside, and the new Sumo offers a surprisingly comfortable cabin with improved materials and finish. Designed as a practical 7-seater, it boasts a versatile seating layout that caters to families and commercial users alike. Enhanced legroom in all 3 rows, roof-mounted AC vents, and USB charging ports ensure that all passengers stay comfortable throughout the journey. The dashboard features a new infotainment system with smartphone connectivity, making it a tech-savvy space despite its rugged nature. Performance and powertrain. Under the hood, the 2025 Tata Sumo is expected to be powered by a BS6 Phase 2 compliant 2.0-liter diesel engine, delivering solid torque for highway cruising and off-road duties. Tata's trusted rear-wheel drive architecture and improved suspension make it ideal for both urban commutes and rough terrain. A 5-speed manual gearbox ensures full driver control, with potential for a future automatic variant. Safety and features. Safety takes a step forward in the new Sumo. Tata has equipped the SUV with dual airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, and a reinforced body structure for better crash protection. While it stays minimalistic in luxury features, the essentials are well covered, offering functionality over frills. Expected price and launch timeline. The 2025 Tata Sumo is expected to be priced between 9 Indian rupees Lakh to 12 Indian rupees Lakh, Ex-Showroom, targeting budget-conscious buyers who need space, reliability, and performance. The official launch is likely in early 2025, with bookings expected to begin soon after the unveiling. Final verdict. Tata has successfully reinvented the Sumo for a new generation, keeping its legacy alive while adding modern upgrades. Whether for rural transport, city utility, or family travel, the 2025 Tata Sumo looks ready to make a big impact. Stay tuned with Pro Wheelhouse for more updates on this rugged warrior.